Well, we've just had a downpour. We're on our way to Finn's Beach Club, and this is our road, which our bit seems to flood. That's quite clever, isn't it? But our driver is supposed to be here. Hello!
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
And the neighbours. Hopefully this is our driver that's just turned up. So, go Jack and grab like the local taxi apps, a bit like your Uber. And very cheap, to be honest. This is costing less than £2 to take us about 7 kilometres. So, bargain.
Yeah.
Jump in, David, don't fall down that hole.
Or should I just get in and knock the door open?
That's it.
Oh, hot. Hot. Oh, thank you. How are you this morning? Good. Actually, Mark, what time is it?
So here we are in the taxi. We're just arriving in the VIP section at Finn's. The fella's going to go round and check us all for bombs. Just checking the car, and he'll let us through if it's all clear. What's the boot up now? Checking the boot. And we're clean. Not yet. He's only a taxi, mate. All clear? Thank you very much. Thank you. So, yep. The drop off at the Bali area, and there's my car. And the lady come to meet us. Hello. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Right, we did.
Thank you.
Please stand here.
Yep.
And take off your glasses. Can I help you with your bag? Yeah.
Yep.
Take off your
Glasses. Hat.
Hat. Sorry. And look at the camera.
Oh. Done? Done? Yeah.
Could we check your bag?
Yeah, thank you. Hello. You can. What do you want to do?
Can I check it?
Yeah. David, we need the thing so they can say that I've allowed the GoPro.
Hello. Wait here. My body. Oh, hello. Yes, thank you. No problem.
Thank you. How are you today?
Very well, thank you. You got a bit of trouble.
What?
Can I just point out your badge is upside down?
Yeah, it's upside down.
Upside down.
Oh, yeah.
Upside down. Yes, yeah.
It works in
Okay.
Australia. Down under.
Upside down.
Underneath. Confirmation first.
Yeah. David, you want to scan the booking?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, she's asked for it now.
Oh yeah, sure, please. Let's just share it with that. Bukan ya? Bukan. Ada mau masak?
Yeah. Pardon?
Where you from?
England.
England.
Yeah.
How are you? Good?
I'm good, thank you. Yeah.
Ya. Bapak. Ini?
Yeah. We got permission.
Hold on, these are my two friends, yeah? Yeah. They have my wallet, I give you ID.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
They're just a Pins VIP today, they're lovely, they're really helping us. We're going to enjoy our time at the best beach club in Bali. Sorry?
So that you book one deluxe bed and you already paid by online for meal.
Yes, and you need my cards and ID.
Yeah.
Yes, we've been before. Yeah.
Here,
No
as
problem.
our guarantee.
Can I have my wallet?
You can do. Yeah.
Yes. Sorry.
How
So-
many people of you total?
There's 3 of us in total. But 2 of my friends from Bali may join us later.
So 5, yeah?
Yeah, fine. So that is my ID, that is me.
Yeah.
So
A little bit
leave your
younger,
ID,
that is my
leave your credit card.
Express.
Sure. We
Yeah.
keep
But it
here
will
as
get
our
put in these
guarantee.
Okay,
wallets here
do
in
we?
the reception
Yeah.
area.
Okay.
And this is your set number, sir.
Yes, can you take it to the bed, a bit like before?
Another lady.
Yeah. So whenever you order, you have to show the set number to our waiter.
No
yeah?
worries
It's the
at all.
same like before.
Yeah,
Sure.
thank
We
you.
will prepare the welcome drink for you.
Oh, thank you.
3 people, yeah?
Yeah.
At the moment.
Mark, can you put that on the bed? And
Thank you.
Mark, can you look after that?
I've got cameras and everything, and we carry everything. So here's our welcome drink.
Ladies first.
Excuse me, I'm lady.
Yeah, that's for that one. Thank you very much.
This lovely lady's now giving me some Crystal
Cheers.
champagne just to welcome us to Fins. Thank you so much.
If you hold it again, I can hold the bag. I can carry the bag.
No problem. We're a little hungry anyway, maybe we get food in there. We're going to be a couple of hours for our day bed because of the one rain. We're going to change the bed in.
Okay.
Do we, shall I follow you or do we go? You go, girl.
So, essentially the gift shop area. VIP section. Come through to indoor club area. So we're now in the indoor club area. The party is starting. So, due to the bad weather that was in Bali this particular day, Fins decided to put everybody in the monsoon bar restaurant. But unfortunately it was kind of a little bit boring, so we're here, decided to have a little bit of a walk round just to see if we could actually get back on the beds. But as you can see, it's still quite windy and the weather's not really very suitable. Pretty much nobody's actually on the beds yet, so really just wanted to have a look round. And you can see the brollies, the umbrellas and the light fittings all flowing. It was quite a bad day, to be honest, with the weather, and then it just kept raining and the wind. Unbelievable. But sadly, no, they still said it was closed, not open. So we had to go back into the monsoon, but it was boring in there. There was no sort of like atmosphere, no entertainment, there was nothing to keep you amused. And on the beds you get discounted drinks package if you take like a full bottle, if you take the beers and things like that. But in the monsoon bar, they were trying to get you to pay full price. This was mainly on the beers and things like that, or trying to get you to buy singles. So we did have a bit of a moan about that, and in the end they did like see it our way and honoured the same prices that they should have been doing on the VIP section. So here's David, he's come out now to have a look round, see if he thinks it's ready to go onto the beds. Because like I say, we were just so bored in there. It was, you paid to come and sit around the pool and have the entertainment and the music, the atmosphere, jumping in and out of the pool, that sort of thing. And you just weren't able to enjoy it, so it was just a bit of a shame. I know it's not their fault with the weather, but you'd think they ought to have some kind of policy when the bad weather's on that entertainment starts a bit earlier or something, that, you know, the girls on the roller skates, the drummer boys, just things that sort of keep you entertained and amused. And why it's okay in this monsoon bar, it was a little bit boring. So the weather looked like it had picked up a little bit now. We'd been sat here quite a while, and so we decided to risk it and go out. But literally as soon as we got to the bed, the winds took off, took that mattress in the air, just missed Chew and David, and it was unbelievable. As you can see, we like Chew's hair blowing around, the wind is immense, and for it to actually take that mattress off the ground, you know, it's dangerous to be out there now. So we're gonna bail out and get back in the monsoon. I mean, to be honest, if we hadn't have paid already online, we paid 4 million IDR, a couple £100 for the bed, minimum spend, we would have probably left and gone home, or even wouldn't have been bothered coming for the day. You know, perhaps when it's a bad weather day, Finns ought to have a better idea what they can do to keep you entertained, and possibly even offer refunds or you to transfer to another day, because this was just immense. It was, I mean, look at the umbrellas in the background, the ones that's blowing around. Look at the sea. It's a rough day. This is beginning of February 2025, so yeah, weather can be unpredictable. I mean, look at the wind there, like blowing David over. It shows how rough it was. So now we head back to the monsoon bar, which we've just had a little mini monsoon, haven't we? So quite funny, and they're all trying to put plastic bags over the tills and cover all the glasses up and everything. See the water blowing out of the pool. This shows how rough the winds was. And then this is the main stage. Normally buzzing by now, but unfortunately the weather not making it happen. And this is where I think things need to sort of perhaps have some policies in place for the bad weather days. You know, everyone stood around, look, don't know what to do, don't know where to stay, whether to go. Most people at this time of day have booked and paid for the beds. Booked online, you pay the minimum fee and you get the bed. But on a bad weather day they don't issue the refund. So it's, you know, or any day, not just a bad weather day, they don't even issue a refund, full stop. But really, I suppose on a bad weather day they should actually give you the option to transfer to another day. Our problem was we was running out of days now, because this was, I think, a couple of days before we was going back home. Even you can see here, like the what do we call it? The canopy that's connected to the floor is just literally blowing out. The fencing around the extension of the building, some kind of new bit to the side there. Even that blown over. It was very rough. Just look at the brollies blowing around. So now we head back to the monsoon bar and try and sort of get the party started as it is. So we're just heading back now, back to our table. Everyone's all coming back in, trying to shield from the weather. As part of the VIP package, you get these amenity kits on your bed, which has got like a little fan, a pouch, some sunscreen, some face mist, some wipes, lip salve, that sort of thing. Nice little extra. So we normally only get one per bed, but we whinged and moaned a bit and we got two. So, 5 items in total. Sunscreen, face mist, lip balm, fan, wipes. And the little pouch. So Joe had some oysters and there's a little sign on it saying "Eat me now, don't keep me." Obviously, the longer you keep it, the more chance of the food being off and you're getting dodgy belly. And then we did order 2 double cheeseburgers, but only one arrived. So we'll have to wait for mine to come again a bit later. Food was pretty good. Burgers are very nice. We had the burgers last time. So we decided to order a bottle of Grey Goose because David likes that. You get the ice complimentary, replenished constantly, so as it runs out they keep refreshing it. And a full bottle of Grey Goose, but only the 75ml bottle, 750ml bottle. It's not a litre bottle. And you get the limes. And the fellow basically looks after you. The duration is there. Normally when they're around the beds, they've got 3 or 4 beds to look after, and then they keep replenishing your drinks for you as the day progresses. But it's £190. Comes with 6 cans of Coke, the ice, and obviously the fella looks after you. The bottle gets delivered here by 2 girls with the fireworks, and a bit entertaining. It is quite fun. Yeah, that's what 190 quid gets you. So I like Bacardi, so I ordered a bottle of Bacardi for myself, and Chu soon prefers to drink beer, so we do 10 bottles of Bintang for 500,000 IDR. And there's my bottle of Bacardi arriving, but I only get one girl to deliver mine. Still got the fireworks though, I suppose. A bottle of Bacardi, 750ml, 6 cans. Again, the ice is sort of complimentary. That was about £127. So as you can see, 2 bottles and the Bintang, the food. We've already done the minimum spend. So it's quite easy. And if you didn't do the minimum spend, you can actually buy drinks take away with you. So yeah, okay, you're spending a lot of money for it, but you could take 20 cans of Coke home with you. You know, anything like that. And there's Chu's Bintangs arriving. Obviously when you're around the bed you've got a little bit more room to put everything, but as we're eating here and we've got the drinks arriving, there's no room, so we have to put Chu's Bintangs. We wanted to put them there, which no, that was in our way, so I moved my bag off the chair and said come on the chair, need the room, need space. We'll finish part 1 here, and please make sure you subscribe and drop us a like, and any comments, anything you want us to find out or answer for you, just please ask. And watch out for part 2, as I'm afraid we were the ones that got the party started at Finn's Beach Club in Bali. Thank you for watching.
Here we go now.